Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the KnifeCenter kitchen, because today we're going to be taking a look at the Shun Sora collection. Let's check it out. So what's really great about the Sora collection is it brings Shun's premium cutting experience into a more affordable price range. It's a step above the entry level in terms of cost, but they're an incredible value, offering materials and performance that are a cut above the competitors. So there's a full range of blade options that are available in the Sora collection, from paring to serrated knives and full-size chef and Santoku knives. But at the heart of what makes these knives special are the unique blades. You can basically think of them as a jigsaw puzzle. We have a top section and a bottom section that are laser cut for precision and braze welded together, forming a pattern that calls to mind classic Japanese sword hamon lines. The spine side is a solid piece of high polished 420 stainless steel, which helps keep the materials costs down, but the edge section is where you truly get your money's worth, by putting high performance steel right where you need it, on the actual edge itself. We get a really nice looking piece of laminated steel featuring a VG10 cutting core. Shun's proprietary process is sort of a modern twist on an old blacksmithing trick, seen for example with axe makers out on the American frontier. Where quality steel was scarce, the cutting bit of the axe head would often be embedded in a lower quality steel. Materials aren't nearly so scarce nowadays, but Shun's composite blade technology allows them to bring you maximum performance without the high premium usually associated with it. And there's no need to worry about the durability of the weld either. We've seen this process before from Kershaw, one of Shun's sister companies, on blades like the Leek and the Junkyard Dog for years to great success. The factory edges on these knives are extremely sharp right out of the box, and they're sharpened to a very acute 16-degree bevel, making them feel even sharper and cut like a laser. The handle and tang design owes a lot to classic Japanese kitchen cutlery, with a hidden tang and handle shape both updated for a more modern aesthetic. Those polymer handles are another way to keep the costs down, but they still feel nice and streamlined in the hand, very easy to index in use. Here we have the Shun Sora 8-inch chef knife, which is a bit more like a Japanese gyuto than it is a typical Western chef knife, with less belly here at the tip, meaning you don't have to raise your wrist quite as much when chopping or mincing. Popular as a complement or even as a substitute for the chef knife is a good Santoku, and this 7-inch model comes from my kitchen. I'm usually not the biggest fan of these scallops behind the edge. They're supposed to help keep food from sticking, but sometimes it's hard to feel the benefit. Not so with this knife, as they're deep enough that they truly make a difference. Both of these larger blades are great all-around utensils that are at their best when using them in a push cut style typical of Eastern kitchen knives. The feel of the cuts when using these knives is addictive. There's just so little resistance, and you'll probably find yourself looking for recipes that require a little more cutting, just so you can get another chance to use the knives. We're also fans of the 6-inch Sora chef knife. This one belongs to one of our video producers, and it makes a great companion knife with a little more overall belly than the 8-inch chef or the 7-inch Santoku. This helps it when slicing meat, and I also think this one is the best in the Sora lineup when it comes to mincing. Thanks to the curvature of the edge, it has a nice gentle landing on the cutting board, making it a joy to use. Of course, your kitchen wouldn't be complete without a good paring knife, and I'm a big fan of the Sora 3.5-inch paring knife. The balance on this knife is spectacular, with a thin, lightweight blade that handles very easily. It can be very precise at things like skinning a potato or trimming vegetables or fruit. It even has a little bit of an offset to the edge angle, making it easy to use when doing tip-down pull cuts along a cutting board. Other options to flesh out your Sora collection include block sets, utility knives, both serrated and plain edge, and serrated bread knives as well. Everything you need to fully outfit your kitchen. As you can see, we plainly love these Sora knives from Shun, and it's very easy to boil that down into one simple reason. If you've never experienced a truly sharp kitchen knife, it's a game-changing experience, and these Sora knives can cut with some of the best knives out there. If you like what you see here and want to get your hands on one, make sure to click the link in the description below to head over to KnifeCenter.com. But if you're still on the fence, we're actually offering you a chance to win this 8-inch Sora chef knife, generously donated to us by Shun in order to give it away to you. In order to enter, make sure you're subscribed to the KnifeCenter YouTube channel, and then comment below telling us what you would like to cook up using this fine blade. In order to win, you must have a US shipping address, and we'll be announcing a winner on Monday, March 11th. A full list of rules can be found in the description below. Good luck, everyone.